Over 70% of trades executed on the NSE and BSE are currently machine or algo traded. Despite the fact that retail traders and investors are enthused about this development, many of them are unable to find simple solutions because professionals only seem to propose complex methods. Many people struggle to understand technical analysis, and their concerns and questions in the real market are quite often left unanswered. We at Trade Simply envision the creation of a platform that provides simplified and targeted solutions to retail traders and investors, where the technical aspects are completely handled by professionals or the entire support system is built on the Algo platform itself. Our platform enables accurate analysis of various market types and changes in trends, allowing informed and proactive decisions. We believe in keeping things in simple format and not complicating your decision-making ability in real-time market. Our Robo-tech Algo trading system is well-defined with multiple ifs and conditions, so all you have to do is settle down, analyze, and trade. Such an application and system can give trading verticals more leverage. It is also highly customizable according to your convenience, trading and investing preferences and style. We are a SaaS, software as a service, company that provides a quant-based algo trading mechanism. Algorithms are currently in high demand because they are the future of trading. In India, retail participation is only about 1.5% to 3%, compared to over 65% in developed countries. We at Trade Simply intend to fully tap into this new market by providing access to tools that keep you up to date on trading and investing decisions in real time. With its designated index and the top 5 performing stocks, our system keeps you informed about select stocks in diverse sectors. We have also released the beta version of our product trends at NSE 30. We have built a web application with an algo-based trading mechanism and robust trading features based on tick and historical data. It includes custom trade and trend analysis. It is an invaluable method for testing, experimenting, and deploying with extreme ease. It also allows for comprehensive technical analysis and trade execution in a single window. You can trade using this product according to your convenience, appetite for risk, and available funds. Our offerings include leveraging relevant technology for active participation, allowing a complete trade and technical analysis on a single window, providing the most simplified technical analysis tool with live algo mechanism, and spreading education, awareness, and training to name a few. We bring you the future of investing and trading, and we will continue to work on developing future products to attract retail participants into the fully automated algo world with the least amount of technical jargon.